Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping gear and activating macro. Make sure your iPhone 14 Pro has the latest iOS and the lenses are clean. Once done, enable macro control in settings so the phone won't switch unpredictably, and mount or brace your phone to avoid movement. Move the subject into the sweet spot, roughly 1 to 3 cm from the lens. You'll know when focus locks. Keep breathing slow and steady. Small shifts destroy detail, so lock the phone in place now. Now you execute precise framing and focus. You frame tightly and leave a little negative space because subjects can shift as you adjust, and that margin prevents clipping. Tap the screen to place focus, then hold to lock AE/AF so exposure and focus don't hunt when you move. Light is critical. Use a small LED or reflector at an angle to reveal texture, and diffuse it if highlights clip. Make micro adjustments in position rather than relying on digital zoom. That preserves detail and clarity. Finish by capturing multiple frames and verifying sharpness at 1. You use burst mode or a 2-3 second timer to eliminate handshake, then inspect the images closely to confirm detail. If you need slight composition changes, move the phone a few millimeters and retake rather than cropping heavily. Troubleshooting. If images look soft, increase side lighting and step back a hair to regain focus, then relock AE/AF. That fixes most softness caused by being too close or underlit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.